So, Anna, this world is happily ever after things. It's great, right? Like really great.
The best.
And well, things are just better. When we're together, always it's like a team. A permanent team.
Like a permanent team of a reindeer. That's how Esben and I feel about each other. Speaking of permanence, did you know that permanent is a fascinating concept, but fundamentally, everything is in constant state of?
What was that? Did you hear it?
Hear what, Elsa? What's wrong? Did you hear Olaf talking about his theory of permanence again?
I didn't hear anything, Elsa. Just the fire.
Oh, a mystery sound. Was it a new kind of pogborn? Maybe a musically inclined throughout.
No, no, it wasn't a sound. It was a voice.
A voice? Who's calling you? Elsa, you're shaking.
I don't know, but it feels important like a part of me that's been missing. Like a lullaby. I've forgotten how to sing. It's calling me away from here.
Away, Elsa. Arendelle is safe. We are safe. Whatever that was, don't need to answer it.
I can't ignore it, Anna. It's my truth. I have to know what it is.
The mysterious voice.